In this video, we will provide a quick overview of all the autodialer features that Ozonetel offers. To begin, once you log in as an admin, you will be directed to the dashboards. Next, click on Campaigns. Here, you will find options for all the campaigns like inbound and outbound campaigns. If you have any existing campaigns, they will be displayed in this section. Click on Create Campaign, then select Outbound Campaigns, and continue. The basic form selection process remains consistent with the previous UI, with the only difference being that we have now structured it step by step, making it easier for you to understand and complete the required information. Now, let's create the test video campaign. Within our system, we offer 4 types of dialers. The first one is the preview dialer, which essentially functions as a click-to-call feature. As an admin, you'll upload the data, and agents can then click to make a call or choose to skip a particular record, indicating it doesn't need to be dialed. These are the 2 primary actions available to agents using the preview dialer. Moving on, the progressive dialer is an autodialer, but it introduces changes to the dial methods. When you're using the preview dialer, specific dial methods are available, and the same goes for the progressive dialer. However, with the IVR dialer, there aren't conventional dial methods. This dialer is typically used when you want to play a recording to a client or a large dataset, such as EMI reminders. It's also useful for outbound calls where you want to offer options like, if you're interested in this offer, press 9 to connect to our agents. Such scenarios fall under the IVR dialer category. The predictive dialer is another option available. It doesn't involve data segmentation. Instead, it operates on a ratio-based system, allowing you to specify how many calls you want to dial per agent. Additionally, you can set parameters for data quality, such as ensuring that no more than 10% of customers drop out of the queue. In response to this parameter, the dialer will automatically adjust the pacing. For instance, if you set it to dial 5 calls per agent but the drop rate exceeds the specified limit, it might end up dialing only 1 call per agent to maintain a higher quality of service. In the case of progressive and preview dialers, an additional feature is data segmentation. Non-agent-wise method, you can segment your data and specify that any available agent can handle the call. The dialer will dial these calls to any agent who is logged in and ready to take calls. Agent-wise method, alternatively, you can specify that each record should be assigned to a particular agent. In this scenario, only if that specific agent is logged in and available will the dialer initiate those calls to them. Skill-wise. In this approach, data is grouped by skills, and any agent who possesses the required skill can receive calls from customers falling under that skill group. So these are 3 methods in which you can dial the data. You'll notice the presence of a DID and a fallback DID. In certain Asian markets, it's common to have a primary trunk. If, for any reason, the primary trunk experiences downtime, the dialer will automatically switch to the fallback number and continue dialing. As we proceed, you will encounter standard features common to both inbound and outbound campaigns. We will delve deeper into these fields in our video on how to create a campaign, as they are relevant in both contexts. Another feature to be aware of is block numbers. With this feature, you can create a custom DNC list within your account, specifying which numbers should not be dialed at all. Then you have the option to set priorities. For instance, you can assign a higher priority to a campaign that deals with premium leads, making it the top priority. Other campaigns can be designated with the same priority level, treating them equally in terms of call queue management. File upload is basically what data you want to upload, and what the headers you want to upload is the mapping file. So broadly using this, you should be able to create an outbound campaign for any type of dialer and actually execute your campaigns. Thank you.